We go now to St. Elizabeth, where fear and anxiety are gripping sections of Santa Cruz, with residents warning that another disaster is quietly unfolding right on the heels of Hurricane Melissa. Anthony Lugg has the story.
Two youngsters inside an old refrigerator floating like a canoe, slowly pushing themselves through knee-high water that has swallowed the roadway in Institution Drive and surrounding areas in Santa Cruz, St. Elizabeth.
In and out, right round and round the house is just water coming up, rising up.
The communities already battered by Hurricane Melissa continue to take on water, marooning several residents. And many here tell us they fear the worst is yet to come.
The hurricane surge, the water come from up the hills, all around the hills. It come to the river down there, but it cannot take it. So it have to come back out.
Few people move out, but can stay in the house and the water rising, coming around here and so.
Despite the struggles, the people we spoke with remain hopeful.
I don't like what's going on, but I cannot do nothing about it because we was looking for it, we know that it was going, but it's better than the first time. But I'm still going through.
As for those marooned, residents are calling for the authorities to provide some assistance.
Sisters them who just want some help with some food and water and so forth, that they can get to bed and get them clothes wash and whatever. So that is the main situation right now, because we can't do anything about the water until the time comes the water jar.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.